Hey everyone, I'm Peter from the Golden Gato, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do affiliate marketing without a website. This is the best method, and this will make you make money online potentially very, very easily and very simply. Because affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, and without a website makes it just so much more simple. So quickly before that, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online and at home, make sure to subscribe to the Golden Gato YouTube channel. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into it. So today, I'm going to first start out with an agenda so we can structure this video. Make sure you know where exactly you are in this video throughout everything. First, I'm going to talk about a little bit of an introduction. Then I'm going to go through what is affiliate marketing, which is what I consider the best online business there is. Then I'm going to show you the no website strategy. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, but you want no website and you still want to make a lot of money, this is for you. Then I'm going to show you an example of somebody who does this. Hint, hint, it's me. Then I'm going to show you a kind of a secret method for people who want 6 figures. So that's $100,000 or more. Obviously no guarantees here, but this is essentially the next best step. So if you already know about affiliate marketing, you know the simple stuff, then you can kind of jump ahead in the video. The title is going to be at the top, so you can sort of see where you are in the video. And if you want to just skip ahead to that, feel free to do so. But there's a lot of really, really good information here, so I would recommend staying for the entirety of the video. So now let's start for the introduction. Websites are a pain in the butt, all right? Everybody knows that. This is kind of how people feel when they start a website and they get no traffic and they don't know how to make it good looking, etc. There are a lot of problems with making websites. There's hosting fees, there's domain searches. Nobody wants those kind of random, really long domains that aren't going to get any traffic. And the traffic really disappoints if your SEO is bad. But they seem necessary. Seemingly every single business has a website, right? That's what everybody tells you. You need to go and make a website. You need to go do this and that and whatnot else. But the truth is that they are not technically necessary. All you need for affiliate marketing, rather than just more specifically a website, is an audience. Audience is the new currency. It's a famous quote. Audience is the new currency, and it's so true. Audience can be split up into essentially a few different pieces. First of all, you can have a website. That is a way to get an audience, so that's one part. You can also do social media, and that's something that people like Tai Lopez focus on. And there's also YouTube, which again, Tai Lopez also did. He actually has all 3 of those. But we're going to be focusing on YouTube because that is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to start out with affiliate marketing. Now again, if you want the, super high level, I want to be a multi-millionaire kind of person, if you're that, then, I would click the link in the description and go to that website because that will show you exactly how to do that. But again, I'm sort of showing you the basics, the easy stuff, the stuff that'll get you making money on affiliate marketing really, really fast. What is affiliate marketing? Simply, you do this. You sell other people's products on Amazon, on ClickBank, on JVZoo, etc. Those are the main websites. And you earn a commission for every single sale that you make. So here's a quick graphic that sort of shows you exactly how affiliate marketing works. And this is not my graphic. This is from neilpatel.com. Make sure I'm giving you the source there. So an affiliate puts your ad on their website. And this is sort of from the vendor's point of view rather from the affiliate's point of view, but you get the point here. An affiliate puts your ad on their website, the customer clicks and converts, the conversions are tracked, and the affiliate, which is you, gets a commission every time you get a sale. So here's more of the no website strategy. We're going to focus on YouTube here, as I said before. And why? Because it's easier to get traffic than any other system, and that's my opinion, but I think it's also the truth. Videos are really fun and interactive, and there's a very easy tracking system. So let's begin the no website strategy for you guys so you can start learning how to make money with no website using affiliate marketing. So step 1 is to create a niche channel where you can sell products. and that could be a product review channel. If you go to YouTube and search up product review, there's going to be a million of these that you can see online. There's also an app review channel. So if you're somebody, I actually used to do this. What I used to do was review apps online and on YouTube especially, and then I would have a link to those apps, and there's a special affiliate program that does app referrals. So if you refer somebody to an application and they download that application, then you get like 50 cents to $1. So I thought that was really, really cool. And I actually used to have a YouTube channel about that. There's also software review channels, and all of these kind of things are really, really important and pretty easy to set up if you know what you're doing. Step 2 is to have catchy titles and catchy thumbnails in order to get views, okay? Here's a little hint about YouTube that I think a lot of people don't really understand. That is this: YouTube is extremely competitive, extremely competitive. So if you want to stand out from the competition, you have to do things to get views. You have to have very catchy titles and very catchy thumbnails, all right? But there's something important here, all right? And I'll get to that in just a moment. An example of a catchy title could be something like an app review video called Best App of 2018. Lots and lots of people are going to click on that. Some people would label that quote unquote clickbait. But you know what? That doesn't really matter, because as long as you provide value, you're doing good, all right? Exaggeration totally gets views, all right? Anybody who knows anything about my channel knows that. Exaggeration gets views, but you make sure you can provide value and you're still doing good, all right? Value is super, super important. Step 3 is to make videos reviewing things on Amazon, ClickBank, or JVZoo. These are my top 3 recommended affiliate marketing websites. You can sell anything on Amazon you want. You can sell anything on ClickBank and JVZoo you want. The advantages of each are pretty simple. Amazon is a very known and well-trusted website. ClickBank and JVZoo are not quite as well known as Amazon, because Amazon's basically taking over the world, but ClickBank and JVZoo are very trusted, very secure websites that offer higher commissions. So it's sort of generally known versus higher commissions and probably higher sales. Step 4 is to provide a link in the description to your video, linking to your Amazon, ClickBank, or JVZoo product that you're promoting. And make sure it has to do with whatever you're talking about in the video, obviously. And also make sure that affiliate consent is in the disclaimer. All right, guys, guarantees, money-making guarantees, fitness guarantees, all of these are really stupid things to do, because you're not sure how much work people are gonna put in to whatever they're doing. You don't know, what kind of work ethic those people have. So guarantees is never a good idea. Plus also, it's required that you have affiliate consent. So you make sure that you're telling the person that's watching your video that there is, an affiliate offer in the video. And this is usually done in the description to that video. So here's a quick example to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, so there's no confusion here. And we're going to examine a really great example, in my opinion, and there's kind of a funny reason for that. What do you think that is? Well, that example is me. So I have created affiliate videos in the past, and we're going to be talking about one of those affiliate videos. So one of my videos was called How to Make $1,000 by Sending One Email. And again, people say, oh, that's clickbaity. Well, it is a very, very catchy title, but it's not completely, unreasonable considering how much work you put in, what kind of business you develop. People do that all the time. People do make thousands and thousands of dollars by sending one email. It's called email marketing and affiliate marketing. And I've talked about that a million times. So here's the description of my video, which you'll notice has roughly 20,000 views and overwhelmingly liked. And yes, I do like my own videos, just because I'm funny like that. Okay, so in the video, I talked about a really, really cool application. And essentially, I linked to that application here, as you can see. and I put the disclaimer, making sure people know that results are going to vary, but I really believed in this application. I really think that it provided a ton of value and it's an excellent thing to promote. Make sure you're always promoting valuable things. That's the most important thing. And I also put a disclosure, say, I might be compensated in exchange for future placement of certain sponsored products, etc. So, if you click a link in my video to some product and you pay for that product, you decide to do that, I might be compensated for that. And as I said here, if you hate the idea of me making money from YouTube videos, that's okay. You don't have to do anything I recommend looking into. But the things that I do promote are things that I think are super valuable. Like in this video, there's going to be a promotion of something that's free. It's really free to sign up. And I think it can take you to that next level in affiliate marketing. I think I go through the basics essentially here, and that will take you to the next level. It's extremely popular. It's in the description below, and I'll get into that in just a moment. So as we saw in the example though, as you can see, I had value in the video. If you want to check out the video, go for it. I thought it was super valuable, super free information that you can take. You don't have to pay for anything. There was an affiliate offer, and I underline offer for a very, very specific reason. You don't want to try to force this on people. You're simply offering it as an extra in case people want more. So I recommend doing, and what I am doing in this video, is I'm telling you free information. I'm giving you excellent starting points, excellent places to go and build a business, excellent information. At least that's what I think. And I believe that I'm giving you guys value. But there's also an extra offer in case people want more. And there's a disclaimer and a disclosure to make sure nobody gets the wrong idea that it's some get rich quick scheme or anything stupid like that. And there's also catchy title and thumbnails to get views. As you can see, it's sort of an entire system that is profitable for you and very, very, very helpful for your audience. Again, I can't stress how much it is important to offer value in your videos. So this section is going to be essentially for people who want 6 figures. So if you'll notice back in the agenda, I talked about sort of this extra step you can take for people who want 6 figures. And, if you want to be a Wall Street person with a tie or whatever, and I just concluded this photo because it was fun. So if you want a complete system, this video sort of introduced you to the idea of affiliate marketing, which is, I think, the absolute best way to make money online. But there's a system out there and it's linked in the description. It's an incredible service, absolutely incredible. It's frankly impossibly amazing, actually, but it shows every single step of the way to becoming a full-time affiliate marketer. All right, there's a link in the description, and it's a very, very professional program. There's 120 specific step-by-step video lessons. It's a complete roadmap to success with affiliate marketing, to you developing your own company, your own business, and making money online and at home. And it's been recognized by Forbes, Fortune, the Washington Times, all of these different giant institutions that recognize how awesome it is. And it's completely free to join. So you can join now. You can go ahead and click the link in the description. It's called Affiliarama, and it's essentially a course that will show you exactly how to do everything, and it's incredible. So let's look at some testimonials from people who went through this course, okay? This person said they're making well over $1,000 a day. They said, I've been an Affiliarama member since 2006. And again, the link to this is in the description below. And I've learned so much during my time here. I'm now consistently making well over $1,000 a day now. And last week I made $23,804. It's unstoppable now. And that's Francisco Brevort from New Zealand. Another person that says, for anyone who wants to set up a website to make extra income but doesn't know the first thing about how to go about it, then this is where to start. Now, you might ask yourself, website? I saw the word website. I thought this video was about affiliate marketing without a website. Well, the primary reason I said that is because I wanted to make sure that it's the easy version. And I gave you a very, very easy, simple method to do that. Often people who want to grow 6-figure businesses do eventually need a website. It's kind of, it's kind of a given, right? So website is a yes in this case, but have no fear. You'll easily discover how to do that, how to set everything up, how to make an easy process. It's just like, it's literally like the simplest thing on the planet, but you know, you have to have someone show you exactly how to do this, and that course shows you how. So go ahead and in the description below, that's where it is. One final quick testimonial here says, I owe all my success to Affilorama. It is from using what I learned here that I've managed to earn a full-time income, and live life on my own terms. I owe every last ounce of my success. This has really changed my life for the better. So for people who want 6 figures, and again, this is not a guarantee or anything even close to that, but it is saying that tons and tons of people use this. It's been recognized by Forbes, Fortune, etc. And the link is in the description below to go achieve greatness through affiliate marketing, which is, I think, essentially the best system out there to achieve success online. That's my opinion. And this video is essentially showing you guys a very simple system, a very easy system without a website. If you don't want a website, that's how you do it. If you want to take that next step and potentially start earning full-time income, you know, there's people who earn millions of dollars a month doing this exact kind of stuff. Then go ahead and check out the link in the description below and join now for free and go achieve greatness. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I really wish you the best. I hope you had a happy holidays, or if you're not quite finishing the holidays yet, then I really hope you continue to have them. But I know I had a great holiday season, got to see my family and everything, so that was really, really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Best of luck, you guys. Make sure to go ahead and check out that link below, and I really hope you found this video valuable as well. Have a nice day. I'll see you guys next time.